like collapse.
Yeah, what's gonna happen?
I just wait a second.
Just disconnected, totally.
My question is, why the toilet gets this water pressure and the fucking shower is like
Fine.
nothing? Yeah. No, don't do that. I did already. It was a disaster.
Why don't you just kill the...
The funniest shit is that I told them for 10 minutes the bathroom is like, and they're funny because they're still not here.
Can you open this up?
Bathroom is flooded.
He's coming from the...
Oh my god, thank God you're filming this. Thank God.
The pipe like burst. What is happening?
Oh, man, this was
Why did I get this water pressure for a shower? It's like, this doesn't make any sense.
Okay.
Whose room is this?
Theirs.
Oh, theirs?
Oh, you got it. No, he didn't.
What did you do, Javi?
He took a really big dump.
So
Really big though.
you know how like when you can tell the toilet's still running?
Okay.
Yeah.
So it was doing that, so he just came and adjusted something. Like,
Huh.
No, this doesn't seem to be the smartest.
You get it?
No.
here, well this is what we can do in the meantime, Javi. Just put that into here, and then...
Oh, yeah, this is
I'm really appreciating how
This is gonna help a big deal.
I like how you put a towel down just to catch all the water.
Here's my room.
And then,
No, that's home for help, guys. I
Yeah.
already tried to tell them that the whole fucking room's flooding, and they're like...
we're
"Okay,
sinking.
We'll be there.
We're sinking.
Go get help.
I got help.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's Come on in, come on in.
Put the towel there.
This should probably be moved.
Oh, no, wait. Okay, well. Yeah. That's
This whole thing came off.
there's a flood.
Is it just me or is that floor sagging a little more?
It's sagging a lot more. Oh, you got it. Oh, he's like the plumber, dude. He's got like tools.
Not a lot to...
Oh no?
Oh,